Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Check this out. Got a Fridge 36 rolling out shop today. This is going on man Kevin. He is a local Knoxville guy. Gotta love that. And guys, I've kind of heard a rumor going around. I'm not gonna, claim it, but the Fridge 36 is the king of the back patio. I've heard that, so I'm just putting that out there. Guys, Kevin's got this fridge set up pretty nice. Let's check it out. So first off, he added a 4-gallon Cajun fryer up front here, propane powered. Guys, that have 2 baskets going there. We love these fryers. Smoke you some chicken wings in the hot box, throw them over here, crisp them up, do your fries, hush puppies in here. Everything's better fried, guys. Let's be real. So love that fryer. Coming over here to the smoke chamber here. So like I said, this is our Fridge 36. So we'll open this up. Now you do get 3 sliding trays in all of our fridges, so you got a lot of cook room in here. Now this is a reverse flow unit, so you've got removable reverse flow plates down in here. You can actually take them up out of there, clean out the bottom of your smoker easy. Guys, these fridges are a dream to run super even. He did opt for the stainless steel front shelf. That's a nice little touch right there. I like that. Now he's got just our standard firebox here, all 1/4-inch plate steel. Does have a fire management cradle in there. As you can see, it's got D-ring tie-down points on all 4 corners. Come around to our 30-inch hot box here, guys. Y'all know the deal. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, what's cool about our hot box is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. So you've got a removable plate down here with daisy wheels in it, so you can open those daisy wheels up and smoke in it. You can pull the whole plate out of there, get direct fire in there, or you can close it all off and just use it as a warmer. So it works really well. And as you can see here, he did get it on our off-road package. Now guys, these are our standard wheels and tires for the off-road package. You can upgrade those if you like. Makes it really easy to pull around. Guys, if you're gonna take your smoker from your garage, drag it down the yard to the back patio, this is the way to go. Casters, they just do not cut it. Guys, that's this Fridge 36. We're about to load her up on the trailer and she's heading home. I'm gonna get back in the shop and get working. All we're doing is waiting on y'all. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.